let's go. We don't need to load anything. Still we have Lena. Okay, let's get rid of it. So Word, I think we will have more than just a portal, so let's prepare that. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so it's gonna be so complex. We need a flow field. Hey, hey. I don't fear this project. I don't like to do super complex stuff on stream. I'm not sure I can do it. It might be boring if I fail. Still, we should try. Oh, let's change that. This one. Okay, let's go. I might have broke some extreme stuff. I hope everything is working. So yeah, let's do the portal, let's do the flow field. Yeah, okay, let's go. We're gonna need some materials, we're gonna need mini shaders. Oh, it's gonna be such a nightmare. This project is going to be so long. I mean, so hard. Yeah, mostly hard. Flow field equal new flow field. And you take it from here. Yeah, that's it. Okay, this one is working. So, in this flow field, we need quite a lot of stuff. Set environment. Yeah, probably. We need to access to the experience because we need the renderer. It's gonna be there. Hey. All right, in the environment. Actually, I have some code on the side for other projects I did with FlowField. I checked. I don't know how I did that. It's so complex. So many classes, so many lines of code. So I would try to do it without checking this code too much. We'll see how it goes. So camera, we are going to need an orthographic camera. We need 3.js first. Yeah. Orthographic camera. -1. 1. Oops. And -1. Cool. Experience is not defined. Yes, obviously. Okay, nice. Oh, thank you for the sub, Ozu. I forgot. Let me check that. Oh yeah, thank you. So the name is Doom Portal. Do we say Doom's Portal? Doom Portal in WebGL. But I had S? I'm so bad with that. Doom Portal in WebGL. Thank you. So we have this. We can already add, I don't know, like a plane. Yeah, we will be able to just see it. Yeah, no, that's much more complex. Yeah, I get it. I get it. We have the particles. We are going to use points. We're going to use a custom material. We are going to send the FBO to the custom material. The FBO will be created by the flow field according to the parameters we sent. And we need, at first, we just need the number of particles, and then we can add a bunch of tweaks and parameters. Yeah. Nah. I don't know. Okay, let's do that. Set particles. Oh, actually, yeah, we might need more abstraction. Yeah, the portal is going to be composed of many stuff, as you can see. Currently, I'm just focusing on the particles. When I get like too tired or too bored, I will probably just focus on other patterns, like, I don't know, like the electricity all around, the smoke. Oh, we can use the same smoke we did for the background, this background. Ta-da! It looks a bit like the same. Hey. So let's go. I have to warn you guys, this stream might be a fail, alright? It's super hard. I know that I did flow field maybe 3 times in my life, and it took me days to get what I wanted. So, and it's been a while, so we see where it goes. So yeah, let's create, I should add more and more abstraction with particles.js, unfortunately, because we have more stuff composing the portal. Yeah, let's see where it goes. Anyway, I need to practice that, so why not? So this one is gonna be set. Oh, let's just capture it, put it there. All right, and this one is gonna be set particles. Particles. Oh yeah, I need to add that too. At least I already know the basic concept, which is mindfuck. Oh, what's that? Ah, that's not the way of coding. This is not the way. Oh, come on. I need a new keyboard. Oh, actually, this is not right. This. There. This should be particles. All right, did I break something? No, okay, it's fine. So now in the particles, we can set the flow field. First, we will have a bunch of code there. Then we can, hey Major, are you hyped for God of War? Oh, yes. What's the release date, by the way? I have doubt. Didn't the gameplay finish by 2021? No, check that. Anyway, I don't have a PS5 yet. What's the date? Give us the date. No date. Anyway, it's written there, 2022. It's the kind of game that can take all their time. I don't care. Take your time. Do it right. If they need 1 more year, I don't care. Just don't do a cyberpunk. Anyway, it looks a lot the same as the previous one, and I'm okay with that, but I think they should... I mean, they will not lose that much time, I hope. What's that? Set flow field? Okay. This one is fine. Set, should I call it particles? No, let's call it points. Yeah. points. No. 3.points. We have some God of War fans in the chat. We had some cool announcement yesterday. What was the other game? There was a Spider-Man. I checked, it was like 4 a.m. and I was tired, so I kind of forgot everything I saw. But there was Spider-Man, there was this kind of Asian, ghosty monster stuff. Looks interesting. I forgot what else. Yay, hugs. Oh no, it's already broken, come on. My loop deck, I mean the Twitch part, works like for 20 minutes. After that I need to reset it. Sending you a PS5? Yeah, I talked to that, but he knew some people that sell PS5, but those are the people that make impossible to get a PS5. Did I say 4? Yeah, 5. I mean, those are reseller, like a particular reseller, individual resellers, and they just sell it at a higher price. So that's why we can't buy it. So I don't like that, so I won't buy it this way. Okay, the stream are just an interesting yeah, true. Super helpful to see someone go through the tedious process of work through a problem. They are not as confident. Yeah, but the difference is that when you have the pressure of the viewers, it's even worse. If I'm alone, I will handle the problem, and people always hear me, I can't do it, and at some point they know I will do it. But during the stream, it's a bit more pressuring. Hey. Yeah, actually the price wasn't that high. It was something like 75 euros more than the initial price. I could pay for that, but I just don't want to push this practice of people just buying all the stocks and selling at higher price. It's I just hate that. So yeah, I won't do it. So let's go. We need a flow field. Yep, we need some geometry. Let's start with let's show some particles on the screen, sorry, so that at least you guys can see something. But yeah, if you guys know how to get a PS5 legally and the right way, I'm very interested. I want to play the incoming new director's cut, what's the name? Death Journey, God of War. Even if it's later. Ratchet and Clank sounds fun too. Geometry, yeah, that's it. We're gonna need a bunch of stuff there. Yeah. So it was 3 geometry. Okay, let's go. So let's put some position. Even if all of those will change later, let's just start with the basic particles so that we can iterate on that. So float, 32, array. We need a count for the particles. What's cool with that technique is that you can have a lot of particles. It's okay in terms of performances, and the animation will look awesome, you will see. If I get there, which is not done yet. So multiply by 3, then boy is sleeping. Boy. I'm so sad that Kratos doesn't call his son Boy anymore. I mean, I named my dog Boy for that. I knew it was the end, because at the end, no, I will not spoil God of War, but yeah, I knew it wasn't going to be Boy anymore. A bit disappointed. So at -3 plus 0, yes, I know, doesn't. Oh, is everything working? Alright, my screen just blinked. I don't like that. And my connection, I keep losing internet on that PC. Everything is just falling off. I'm a bit worried about that. Alright, so we have this geometry. Actually, we can put it there. Set attributes. We need to name it position, and we can create What's the name? I always forget. Buffer attribute? I don't know actually. Float32 buffer attribute or buffer attribute? I think this one will use the right one. Yeah, let's just use this one. I think it's gonna be fine. We need the array and then the size. And we don't need to normalize, as always. So we have 3 for each one of those. Alright, that's cool. We have the position. I think that's all we need. Alright, nice. Is it? No, I'm not sure. Well, anyway. It's gonna break. We're gonna fix. Which is the life of a developer. Philosophy today. What is that? Okay. Oh, come on. Points. Material. Yeah, size attenuation, why not? We are going to get rid of all of those soon. What else? Shoe, I forgot. Ah yeah, the size. I don't know, like 10. Never really understood this value. When you use size attenuation. I think it's according to the A2. It's a bit weird. So we have this one, we have this one. Did we break everything? Probably. 3 is not defined yet. I use it like 10 times and I don't have access to it. All as 3 from 3. So there's nothing on the screen because I didn't add it to the scene. I don't think I have access to the scene. I will check the chat shortly. Give me just one moment. There. Yeah, we have nothing there, so we need a bunch of stuff. I really like to use singleton, but not many people know about singletons, especially in JavaScript. And we have languages, especially back-end languages, where we are used to use singleton, but front-end developers usually don't know anything about singleton. Because most of the time you can just avoid it. But yeah, here it's super useful. When it's way like that, I think it's just too big. Yeah, okay. Nice, we have particles. Woohoo. Oh, what's that? Yeah, see? Like, easy mistake like that, I don't think I will be able to finish the flow field on live, on stream. Oh, thank you for the sub, Nick Sank. Hey everyone, you will have to add the PS5 in your room. Yeah, I will have to update everything. That's the problem. Actually, just creating the model and add it, that's okay. But the problem is I need to rebake the whole scene, everything, and it takes, I think, somewhere around 4 hours, 5 hours maybe to bake everything. Oh no, even more, 7 hours, because it's almost 2 hours per texture version. So we have day, night, and neutral. You know, it's the one without anything. Let me show you. Maybe some people don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, if I want to add the PS5 or anything, I need to bake, well, this bake version, this bake version, this bake version, and the, I can't show it to you, but the light map baking. So I think I will update it maybe once or twice a year. Not every time I have a new object. Damn, this project was really cool. It was so long. I'm still working on the videos. It's a nightmare. Really, it's a nightmare. I finished exporting everything and I'm uploading everything on YouTube, and I can't anymore. Be careful, you can't test this yet. I will add it once we have something to watch. If you press project. Oh, by the way, is it back or what? Yes, it's working. You don't need all those versions of what? Bruno, go on Deal Labs and follow them on Twitter. The community is always sharing when PS5 is available. Okay. Yeah, I don't know all the things you can use to find Deal Labs. How do Deal Labs? Do I know Deal Labs? Ah, yeah, I've spent some time on this one. I don't know what I was looking for, but isn't everybody using that? And we can't find a... I mean, the PS5 is gone after 5 seconds. I will try. But anyway, I'm not in a hurry because, because it's expensive. It's a PS5, and because I have so much going on with the boy. I don't have much time. I will start teaching at schools again shortly. Or yeah, I don't know. I have a challenge for you. Would you accept it? Accept it. What's the challenge? Tell me. Have you seen the interview of Mercy Mission yesterday? The replay is already available. I should watch it. No, I started to watch, and boy started to poop, and run all around, and I just spent most of the time outside taking care of him. Yuppie. Anyway, I could not focus because I need to watch him all the time. It's really hard. Yes, I know. I'm always talking about boy. Buy it? Oh, by the way, we are reaching the 9,000 subscribers, so we will do something. Follow me on Twitter and you will know. Twitter. There. I will probably not do it whatever this is. Pee pee poo poo. I will probably not do the thing for the 9,000 subscriber of Three.js Journey this weekend, because I'm not available this weekend, and because it's boring during the weekend. Nobody check Twitter or whatever. But yeah, we will do something. Hey. Stop to buy new stuff. I'm not buying that much stuff. I'm talking about buying stuff. It's the way I do. Like, I talk about buying a PS5. It's been months. Actually, it's been like 6 or 7 months I want to buy one, but I don't buy it. All right, let's go. So did I post? Yeah, I did. So those are the particles. So right now we have this, and we want, let me show you. So kind of this. Oops. If only the advertising was targeted. I mean, they know me. It's Google. Yeah, see that? All those particles. We will add way more particles, that's for sure. Way too much. Okay, that's what we want to create. So right now we have this. All right, let's go. So let's work on the flow feed. Let's make those even smaller, something like that, so we are not bothered too much. Two. Here you go. All right, so here, what do we have here? We need to define a size, like this dot width. The size is supposed to be a maximum of 4K, because this is the limit on specific devices like iPhones. I don't know for the latest iPhones. But anyway, it's more than enough. If you have that by... How can I do that? I don't have calculate? Oh, shoot. Yeah, we can have quite a lot of particles. That's more than enough. Okay, cool. We will try some of those. All right, so then you need to tell how much particles you want. So this is defined there, and we need to send it there. All right, so this is the count. We can just get it. Where is it? No. Yes, I'm looking for the underscore. So count equal count. All right, then we need to define the height, and the height will be defined by, actually we don't have much. So it's count. It's math cell count divided by the width. So right now we should just have one. Yeah, because we can make 1,000 particle fit inside one row of this. So if we have much more particles, let's say, I don't know, 10,000, we have, yeah, okay, that's it. 3 rows. Yeah, the problem is that we won't be able to see much of that. Yeah, anyway, we see. Not for your place and remote it. No, but for your place and remodel it. What? What are you talking about? Stop to buy new stuff, Not for your place and remodel it. Actually, imagine if I move like new apartment or new house, I don't know. I will have to redo everything, or maybe I can rebuild a new apartment based on the 3D I did. We have to game a render farm. Oh yeah, true. I never use render farms. I heard that it's not that complex. But yeah, that's probably a good solution. And the prices are totally affordable. Maybe that's the solution. Good idea, actually. Alright, so we have this. Let's create... What should I do? Yeah, we're gonna need some shaders. Oh, that's not it. Yeah, that's more like it. So, shaders. We need flow field. No. Flow field. It's more like the map. How should I do that? No, let's just call it flow field. Then we need a vertex and the fragment. For now, I will make. Oh. It takes that long for VS Code to create a file. Is it my computer? Probably. Should I buy a new computer? Probably. A PS5, a computer. Everything. What else do I need to buy? Oh yeah, keyboard. I'm sure there is some other stuff I need to buy. Don't forget to drink. Weather is so weird. We have rain, we have sun, we have everything. It's so weird. The problem when it's too sunny is that boy is drinking way too much. Yes, I'm talking about boy again. So yeah, I prefer when it's cold and rainy. Alright, so we can do even more, like, I don't know, something like that. Yeah, okay, now we have 40. Okay, that's cool. Then we need to create the material. So let's go. Flow field, how can I do it? Let's see. What's the smart way of doing it? Material. Yeah, okay, let's go. Oh, we need, oh yeah, I know. I remember we need some render targets. We need 2 render targets so that we can ping pong between them. Then we need to render in one, swap them, render in the other one. Oh, yeah, I get it now. Oh, it's gonna be hard. Oh, it's gonna be super hard. At least every time someone asks me about how do you do FBO, flow feed and things like that, I can just give the stream if I succeed. Not sure I can. Let's see. So we need to retrieve those. So import shader. No. Vertex shader. No. Like that. Did I use that name? No. So why are you telling me this? Can't you find it? Oh no, he's waking up. We spent the whole morning playing and he's waking up. Okay, should be fine. Anyway, look at that. I have a new screen. Much better, right? You're the guy who made a resume with a car. Yes, I'm the portfolio guy with a car. The work is awesome, thank you. Learned Three.js because of you. Ah, that's cool. Did you take the course? Talking about this course. How's boy? Boy is sleeping. Boy is really hard. My previous dog was so much easier. I mean, I love boy, but previous dog was so easier. Boy tries to destroy everything. He has those spikes of energy that are really hard to handle. But yeah, we are progressing. PS5 computer, yeah. You can directly write vertex shader. Yeah, I know. As I explained in the course, it's up to you, but this is confusing for beginners. That's why I don't do it. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. because yeah, I think it's just confusing. I don't like I have many rules when I code, but one of my rules is do it if you have multiple ways of doing something through all your code, do it one way. So if I have property and value, I will always write property and value, because sometimes it's not the same. Like when you do transparent, or you can just put transparent, you need to do transparent something. Okay, so see, it's property, value, then it will be always property, value, and not just this shortcut version. That's why. But still, I think it's cool to not have to write it again. So yeah, rules when coding. Is that all we need? Transparent, vertex, fragment, yeah, probably, I guess. Then set geometry. We just need a plane that will be in front of the camera. The height will be defined by this. Okay, it should be fine. This dot geometry equal new plane. Oh, never mind. 3 dot plane geometry. The size is not that important. Yeah, it can be whatever we want, I think. I'm trying not to check on my side because I have some flow field examples I already did. Set mesh. Should I call it mesh? Yeah, why not? Use the geometry, use the material. All right, but things are a bit different. We need the scene, a new scene, because this is completely different from the rest. Yeah, he might wake up. Anyway, as usual, I would just walk in and we'll be fine. So we need to do that before, so we can put it there. Set environment, and we need to add the mesh to this one. Yeah, that's the problem with Flowfield. You will write like for hours of code without seeing a single thing. Oh yeah, that's a mess. So we add it to this one. All right, cool. Okay, I guess it's working. What are you building today? We are recreating the Dooms portal. This one, I always wanted to create that. The main goal is to create the flow field, which are particles that fly around, and it's super hard to do. And I need to practice that. So that's why we are doing that mostly. Anyway, I just like this game, so let's go. You can directly write. Yeah, okay. So I think it's cool. We can do an update, or we need to do the update on the parent. Yeah, that's it. So on the particles, this dot flow field dot update. All right. And uh-oh. Sleeping outside. So yeah, I was doing, I guess, the update. Oops. Yeah, okay. And same thing here. Come on. So this one should update. Well, looking good. No, it's fine. I don't know how long I will code, but... So, next part. It's so complex. My brain is already melting. But yeah, usually when something is really hard, you just start. You start digging. You know you will not succeed yet, but then you rest for a day and you come back to your code, and it makes more sense. So it's what I explain to my students, like if you can't do something like late, you're trying to resolve a problem, do something really complex in code, just stop, go to bed, and the next morning you just fix it in 5 minutes. And it happens to me so many times. When your brain is rusted, you can fix stuff so easily, especially when it's math. Doing math at night, I'm so bad at it. I always try to do all the math part in the morning when I'm fresh. Anyway, let's go. So we need render targets. Yeah, that's it. So in the flow field, material, I forgot the geometry. Yeah, I forgot the mesh. Yeah. We might have done this differently. Should be fine. This scene, we add this little guy to that. You don't like it? Why? Oh yeah, I know why. Okay, cool. We need render targets. I think I will merge those. Yeah, we can do that after anyway. Yeah, we can do it at the start. Configuring the render targets is hard. Actually, some of the properties I don't understand. So we need to create 2 render targets. So the A is gonna be new 3. So it's a classic render target. WebGL render target. Where are you? WebGL render target. All right. We have a lot of parameters. So we have the width here. We have the 8. All right. Easy. Should be fine. I'm so stressed. You don't know how much I'm stressed right now. I'm gonna fail in front of 85 people. I love it. So we have a bunch of parameters to set. We don't need those. Viewport, yeah, we don't need those. Texture, depth buffer. No. Oh yeah, there. So yeah, here are the parameters, the properties. So wrap S, we don't care. Clamp to edge, why not? Should be fine. Wrap tip, same. Mac filter, all right, this one is interesting. We need to take the nearest. So 3 nearest filter. Min filter, Mac filter is gonna be the same. Actually, this one, if you do everything right, you don't care about this one. Actually you do, yeah. Generate neat maps, nope. Format, all right, this is where things get complicated. Format. RGBA, I think we'll use RGBA. XYZ, and the life of the particle. Yeah, that makes sense. What is RGBE? Yeah, I think we can keep this one, so it's the default one. Let's put it just to make things clear, even if it's the default value. Type, I don't know this one. That's the part where I get lost. Unsigned byte type. We need to define the space. Yeah. It's so complex. It's gonna be fine. So, types, those are the types. I don't know. Some floaty thing. Unsigned byte type. Unsigned maybe, yeah. I don't know. I would cheat a bit. Let me check what I used on another project for the type. Float, yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, makes sense. My guess is that it's going to be precise because those are float, right? Anisotropy. We don't really care about this one. Default is 1. Yeah, I think we don't care about this one. All right, encoding. Linear encoding, yep. Let's keep it just to make things clear again. Dev buffer false, we don't care about that. Just false. Yeah. Stencil, well, just false. We don't care about this one. So let me check. Def right? No, we don't have this. No, I don't know what I did, but there is not parameters like that. Stencil buffer false. Yeah, we already did. Okay, I think it's fine. All right, let me check the chat quickly. Hey, everyone. Unsigned ENT float is better precision. All right, cool. Unsigned ENT, unsigned integer. What does that mean exactly? I mean, can be positive, negative. Is that it? And any value? Yeah, I don't know. I will use float anyway. RGB will be HDR, I guess, but how does it work exactly? I don't know. Do not get real breaks are much needed. Yeah, true. True. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't really care about that. It can be positive, negative. Yeah, we'll have to define some kind of space, like a box where those can, the particles can move, but maybe we don't really need that. I don't know. I know that on a specific project I had precision issue with the particles using a flow field like that. Yeah, maybe that's where you fix that. Yeah, I need to dig that. All right, cool. So here's one. We need another one, and fortunately we have the clone method. It's supposed to be the same, and we need to define the primary one, which will be the one in which everything will be rendered once. So it's gonna be primary, and we can use just this one, which is a reference. Okay, did I break everything? No. Is it being handled? I hope. Set render target. Yeah, I think so. So now here's the idea. When we render, when we update, we do a render, and we do a render through. Where is the camera? Yeah, this camera. Yeah, this camera in the render target using the renderer. And we already have the renderer. Yeah, that's it. So we need, I don't know, like void, main. Let's just put a color. We will render to the screen first. So that we can make sure that everything is working. So I want this color. Yeah, this should be fine. This one, let me think. Oh, we could have done that. Yeah, instead of, let me think. We render inside the render target. We don't really need to do some perspective and things like that. So yeah, I guess, do we need to do that here? I don't know. Yeah, let's put it in front of the camera, I guess. So, and we will move the camera. It's an orthographic camera, so yeah, we can do that. Okay, let's go. Position. Cool. I will not check the way I did it on previous projects, so that we kind of struggle and understand. So, model view matrix multiply by, and I forgot one. Position, yeah, let's add some perspective. Yeah, I think we can get rid of those. Not that much an issue. We can optimize this later. Projection, solar matrix. Hey, buddy. All right, he's sleeping. Like that. The material is there. Yeah, now we need to make sure the camera is facing it. Yeah, that's a bit complex. Is it? No, it's okay. Yeah, it's -1. I can do -0.5. What? Oh. so much code without being able to test. Such a nightmare. Oh, thank you for the sub. 2 months. Yeah. Hey Bruno, do you know the school named Digital Campus? I've heard of it, but I forgot who told me about that. I heard it delivers ethic diplomas. Digital Campus delivers ethic diploma. Is it the same thing? Digital Campus. Ah, it's a group, and ethic is part of that group. Yeah, you will have to explain to me. I don't get it. Anyway, I'm not working at ethic anymore, so I'm a bit lost. Is there going to be a giveaway with the course? I mean the stream. Yes. A giveaway of the course with the stream, I guess. That's what you wanted to say. Ok Google, allume le bureau. He went back, it's raining outside. Was on the balcony. Poor boy. Okay, I don't want to do it. I know it's not going to work. So, here's the thing. We need to render... Yeah, the plane in front of the camera. We need to move the camera back, I guess. What direction? I have no idea. Anyway, it's an orthographic camera, so we don't care about how far it is. Let me check how you create an orthographic camera. Left, right, close. Okay. So let's make sure we are not messing with this one. We can put 0.1 and 10. Yeah, should be fine. Okay, please tell me once you know exactly what's the deal. Nice, cool for creative dev. Oh, go to Gobelin. I mean, French school, I guess. So go to Gobelin. That's the best school for creative dev. It's not like marketing, business, management, and everything. So you will mostly be technical or design. They have 2 different branches, but go to Gobelin definitely. Did I? Magfilter, oh, thank you so much. Oh, that's why I love the chat. I could have spent a lot of time on this one. Thank you. So let's do it. This renderer instance set render target. We use the primary, which is by default the A. Then we do a render. So this, let's duplicate. Lazy. I have a question for you, chat, for the developers mostly. How many hours do you spend coding a day? We have this discussion in the last stream, and I had this discussion with a friend too. And some people say about like 15 hours a day. That's so weird. 7 to 8 hours, that's already a lot. How much people? I'd like to know. This one render, so we render the scene, the camera, yeah, easy. Five to 7 hours, I think that's a lot too. 7 to 10 hours, damn, you guys are coding so much, probably much more than me. As soon as I try to aim for at least 4 hours. Student in coding, then. Yeah, but I heard that they will stop the only formation that I could join since I'm back plus the... Oh, really? They are doing those kind of changes at Gobelin? What? 2 to 3 hours? Yeah. Yeah, 15 hours, but I think those are liars. You know, it's the unhealthy trend. Oh, you sleep only 3 hours a night, so cool. No. And when you get old, it's the opposite, like you're so dumb. Sleep, it's the same. Yeah, it makes no sense. Or is it like doing HTML and just BR, H1, BR, div section? Me, I spend so much time just thinking, then doing meetings, then creating assets, then optimizing, then putting live, improving the flow of continuous integration. That was the name. I don't know. Okay, anyway, I think you guys are coding quite a lot. At some point, I wanted to add some trackers, you know, to see how much time you spend on this and this and this. And I didn't do it, but I like to really measure everything about, you know, my life. How much I sleep, how much I run, sport, walk. Yeah. Anyway, focus, Bruno. Right now, I'm just trying to avoid doing it because I know I'm going to fail. So how was your day? What's up? So we have the render. Okay, cool. Then we need to put it back. I think you need to do something ugly like that. I don't really understand. Let me check. Renderer, WebGL renderer. Yeah, set render target. Then we will have the texture inside. Yeah, the render target. Yeah, by default it's null. Oh, what are those? Active cube face. Active map level. What? What are those? Okay, when it's null, the canvas is set. That's weird. I don't like that. Specify the active cube side. Okay, we don't care about that. Specify the active map level. Do we need that? I hope not. Okay, it should be fine. Then we swap. And to swap, we just do this dot. Actually, I don't know how to swap. Let me check. Should we just invert those? Ah, yeah, no, it's more complex. Ah, yeah, I know. We need to send stuff to the shaders. Send the previous one to the shader, use it to update it, and then swap them back. I mean, just swap at the end. I lost the swap thing. It's there. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, we can swap them anyway. So const temp equal the primary, and the primary is there. Then we do, we need the secondary. Yeah, I like that. Secondary. Ooh. It's raining heavily. Then we do that. So the primary becomes the secondary, and the secondary becomes the temp one. All right. Yeah, I think that's the right way of doing it. Then we need to update the textures once we send it to the material, and we should be fine. Okay, let me catch up with the chat quickly. What is your opinion on Forest Knight's open source computer science degree? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm bad at... Oh, shoot, that's not the right keyboard. Forest Knight, that's a YouTuber. He has beautiful hair. I would love to have the same hair. Forest Knight, open source computer science degree. I don't know. Personally, I'm just against degrees and things like that. I really don't care what school, what degree you had. For me, it's trash. All I care is what you did, the project you did. So I guess I'm against. I'm checking open source computer science degree. Ooh, but those looks very interesting. I don't like the degree thing, but all those exercises and learning stuff seems really cool. Yeah. I mean, like, teaching content, for me, it's just great. But I don't care about having a final degree, and for me, it's worth nothing. When a few spots become available for the master, it depends on the number of students who leave after the bachelor. Ah, yeah. Try, I guess. Do you think it's possible to join a Goblin Master after Ethic? Yeah, I guess. But be careful, Ethic is not that creative, but at the beginning you will learn like basics. So basics, it will be useful anyway. 7 hours code and 1 to 2 hours reviewing other PRs. Ah, that's cool. I like reviewing, but in specific context. In big companies, reviewing, it's just boring as hell and not very interesting. But sometimes reviewing is cool. I wanted to do that more at when I was lead developer at Immersive Garden. Unfortunately, I just never took really the time to do it. But review codes of our team, I was checking their code anyway, but like just review with the team their code. And yeah, I didn't do that enough. I guess I wasn't such a cool lead developer, a good lead developer. All right, cool, let's continue. So I want to make sure that we see this red thing. So what we can do, actually, we can just test. And instead of rendering inside the render target, we can just render it. And deactivate the default one, which should be there. No, it's not experience, never mind, it's renderer. Yeah, misclick, probably. I hope you guys can't hear the, let me check. Yeah, okay. Because it's raining as hell behind me. The window is open. So, if we deactivate those, we should have... Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's good news. So right now what we are doing is render this shader on a render target. Actually, it's not on the render target, it's on the view, but it will be done in the render target. What we can do is make it visible in the scene, in a plane, so that we can just debug it. So let's go. Can we call that the FBO or not? Mesh, plane, debug. Yeah, let's regroup those. Set, plane. Oh shoot, it's raining inside. All good. So let's go. I was going, yeah, okay, I get it. This plane equal that. Just want to structure everything right, which is very important with so complex stuff. We can take this. The material. We can take this. Like that. And the mesh. Oops. So it's gonna be inside that. Yeah, see, I'm starting to code quite fast on PC. If I get really used to it, I will just get rid of the Mac. I will probably buy a laptop. Yeah, see? So in my list, in my Christmas list, guy, I need you to remember that. I want keyboard, PS5, laptop, a PC laptop. All right? Thank you. I'm gonna need a lot of subs for that. So the material and the mesh. So I probably broke everything. Yes, I did. Ah, yeah, we need to get rid of those. All right, so it's more simple. Yeah, we just have that. Then what we can do is, yeah, I know. We should create debug plane. so that we can just see it in the scene without having to mess up with how Three.js is rendering stuff. I'm wondering how much of you are following what I'm doing right now, because it's so complex. Debug plane, so it's kind of the same thing, but this one will be in the real scene, not the scene for the FBO. So we kind of need the same thing, yes. So that's like that. This.plane, yeah, we can just replace those. One by one, yeah, I don't care. This, we don't care, we can use a mesh basic material. And we're going to need a map, but we can set it after, maybe? Can we? Environment map. We need the, yeah, that's a bit tricky. Yeah, we need to update it every time, so we'll change that later. So mesh basic material, this one will probably just look white by default. Yeah, set debug plane. Why are you like that? Ah yeah, we need to add it to the scene, the real scene. Not our FBO scene. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So now is not the good time to take some screenshots. I think this first session we won't have cool stuff to see. I'm quite sure. If I can get the FBO, the flow field working, even just walking, I think I will stop, and then next session we will make it look cool. So, this is Python? No, this is JavaScript. Let's not start the fight. We all know JavaScript is bad. Still, we can do so much. Which cheese do you prefer on your sub? What? What does that mean? Well, I just realized you were on Windows. Yay, I am. It's so hard. It's so hard. But I think it's just about getting used to it. But yeah, I'm switching between Windows and Mac, and it's a nightmare. I don't speak English. I'm from Colombia. Oh, you can write English quite well. Vite bundler? No, I never tried Vite. I mean, I just checked the documentation and I think it's great. One more bundler with more promises. Welcome to the web environment. Actually, the thing is, I'm starting to teach again in a few weeks, and we start with bundlers. And I have a huge course on the learning Webpack. I don't know. Is it still the kind of best choice to learn the most popular and complete one? Maybe I should start with Vite or whatever, like a small one. Hey, see, it works. Like in a half an hour, we get it working. Now let's see a more complex one. I don't know. I really don't know. I would be sad if I get rid of my huge Webpack course. It's so cool, actually. Students tend to really understand. So we did that. That's cool. Why is everything down? Ah yeah, because we are doing it there. So we can do that. Okay, so that's the plane. And we need to draw the FBO in that plane. That's the idea. Actually, we can also resize it if we need. So to do that, we just need to update this.debug plane.material.map equal, and we take the one we just rendered, which is the it's the secondary then. Yeah, it became the secondary, I guess. Secondary dot, I think it's texture. Yes, it's yellow, that's cool. So right now we are rendering another scene with just a plane inside the render target, and we are just showing that render target there so that we can just debug this one. We can change its size according to that. Yeah, we can do that. That's a good idea, I think. So it's gonna be this one divided by this one. So we can update. Where is it? There. So the height divided by the width. I hope. Yeah, okay, that's it. Nice. We should get rid of the particles at some point. You speak, no, French. Français. No Spanish. Sorry. Oh, shoot, really? Oh, that's a mess. I mean, if you're doing some shaders and you can't use JS35, what's the problem? Like, can you configure everything? I totally forgot how Vite was working. Have you considered using Linux instead? Yes, a lot, but I have so many apps that I need. I'm using like many Adobe apps. Substance with yes, because Substance is now part of Adobe. Yeah, I say Adobe, sorry, Adobe. Photoshop sometimes, Premiere Pro, Media Encoder, and I don't think you can have those on Linux. Hey, Eddie. Is that some kind of rainbow 3GS logo or what? It doesn't seem that Vite's intention is to replace Webpack but offer a minimal alternative for simple apps. Yeah, but problem is we've heard that so many times. It's simple. What was the other one? Parcel. I really like Parcel. But it's automatized, and when it's not doing what you really want, good luck. I really liked using Parcel. It's so much easier than Webpack. Webpack is so complex. I mean, you need to read the doc, the whole doc, to be able to create your own configuration. So then they'd add like layers on top of it to make it simple. And this is always a fail. If you add something on top of on something else, it's not more simple. It's not. WSL PCIe pass through then. What? Are we talking the same language? Yeah, I don't know. Those. I want something simple too. I'm always into simple stuff. Oh, he's sleeping so well. Lucky boy. 3GS emote for my channel. Oh, nice. Customization plan. This Webpack if your app needs this customization. Yeah. Yeah, but I always need control. Even if it's harder, I prefer to have control. Instead of just bumping into a wall at some point and having to change everything. I'm saying that because from experience, like a real client project where we just didn't use the right technology, not necessarily bundlers, it can be anything. And at some point we had to redo everything. Like, I don't know, we use Pexi.js and then the client say, but we need some perspective. Oops, okay, let's redo everything. That's just a random example. All right, so we need to send the texture. Okay, let's go. So we need to send maybe two textures, the base one and the second one, like where the particles are supposed to start and then where the particles are really, so that when the particles dies, it gets back to zero. Or actually, maybe we can use some, maybe we can do it in an attribute. No, because it's just a shader. I mean, it's just a texture. Yeah, that's the moment where I'm kind of losing feet. Anyway, we need to send at least one texture, that's for sure. So, where is the material? Oh, there, okay. So that's the plane. Yeah. I should have called this one FBO or something like that. Uniforms. Texture. This one will just evolve with time. And this one will be the initial position. Oh, he just bumped his head. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, so how can we create this base texture? Actually, I don't know. Should I use a canvas? No way. Let me check how I did it. Base texture? I don't think it's the right way of doing it. Oops. Okay, that's smart. I did a data texture. Oh, that's smart. Yes, I'm talking about my own code. So what? Okay, instead of putting in a canvas, I have this canvas reflex. I should stop doing that. So yeah, we need to send those. We can get them here already. Oh no, he's waking up. Sleep, sleep. It worked. Sampler 2D, U base texture, U texture. Then we need to create it. So to create it, we can do it, let's say there. We can do it at first. So base texture. So the base texture is kind of where the particles are supposed to be created, but stored inside the texture. And this will be used inside the FBO. So let's go. This base texture, call that. We can do data texture. Yeah, we will use that. Oh, perfect. Oh, yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's a good start. Size. Actually, we can just do... Let me check. Yeah, we don't care about that. So, this dot width multiplied by this dot 8, and it's actually not the count. Because, yeah, it's not the count. We need it to be like that. This dot 8. So it's size multiplied by 3. Yeah, why not? What are those semicolon? Who used semicolon in JavaScript in 2021? I thought I was going to receive quite a lot of people complaining about not having semicolons in my course, but it was fine. It seems so. So RGBE, yeah, we don't really need to do that. Let's check. Inferior to the size, then we push those. Size multiplied by 3, yeah, why not? Stride, oh, I don't know, we call this stride. Anyway, I'm more like doing it like that. Stride. Stride. Ah, okay. I get it. Stride. Oh, I like it. I will forget it, but I like it. Then we push them so we can, I don't know, like math, random. Yeah, this is where things get complicated. It depends on the space handled by the FBO. Yeah. For now, let's just put random value. Let's put positive random value just in case. Math random multiplied by nothing. Yeah, let's just put some math random so that we know it's between 1 and 0 and 1. So we don't need the thread. Okay, that's cool. We don't need the color. And we can create the texture. Actually, we didn't use much of the example. So this is the data. UINT? No. Float 32 array. Right? I guess. Yeah, I'm not sure it's gonna work. At least as soon as we can see something on the plane, it's gonna be fine. Oh yeah, and the format. Let's see what I use. Float type. Yeah, perfect. Oh wait. RGBA format. Yeah, no, I think we need to do the same. So, oops. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just typing randomly on my keyboard. We see where it goes. Isn't it how developers' life works? Yeah, then we can set the classic. Oh yeah, we can set the classic stuff. Min filter, mag filter, generate mint maps. Yeah, okay, it's kind of the same. Can't we do it on it? Let me think. Data texture. Oh yes, we can. Data width height format, type, mapping. I will put them below because right now when there is too much parameters, you just don't understand what are those. So I will do that. Let's keep those just in case. Then we can set the min filter to nearest, max filter to generate bitmaps to false. Do we really need that? I mean, that's a data texture, not the... We can't have bitmap. Oh, yes. No, actually, they put it to false, so I guess, yeah. Let's keep it, just in case. Wait. Oh, really? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Can I get any discount on your course? We do give away at the end of the session. And for the 9,000 milestone, there will be something. All right, we're very close to it. It will be on Monday or maybe Tuesday. Oh, actually, I have so much things to do on Monday and Tuesday. Anyway, next week, probably at the beginning of the next week, follow me on Twitter and I will post something, probably a contest. And Loop Deck is already gone. Thank you, Loop Deck, for never working. Always let prettier at them. Yuck. Have you tried Journey Founder Reset? Nobody does. Did he poo pee pee? Yeah, he already did, but he can do it so many times a day that I will have to walk him at some point. But I would love to walk. This screen. And yeah, the sound doesn't work at the when I click on that. Just came back from walking my dog. Welcome to the dog world.
Hi dear lovely teacher Gamma Yen and mathematical intersection symbol A.
Alright. What was that? Ah, it was a heart. Alright, I get it. I need to work on that. Like remove emojis maybe. Hi to you. Since you use RGBA, I think the stride needs to be 4. Oh yeah, true. Oh, you're right. So 4 stride. So multiply by 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that it? Actually, we don't care about... Oh, it's a bit more complex. We don't care about the alpha for the base texture. During the process, we do need it, but for the base texture, we don't need it. Oh, it's gonna be interesting. Let's put it as you said. Otherwise, it might break. So yeah, let's do it. Size multiplied by 4. Ooh, everything is so complex. So this one is working. Yeah, okay, this one is back. So yeah, that's the course and that's the Twitter. So yeah, if you guys want to win Three.js Journey, I mean, I will do something for the milestone, the 9,000. It will be a huge discount and it will be probably a contest just like we did for the 8,000. Follow me on Twitter and I will explain everything. You recommend Vercel? Yes, I do. I mean, I've been using Vercel, but just for simple, put simple experiences live, and it's great. It's just working nicely. But still, I'm using with a continuous integration with Git. I don't know if you can use Vercel without Git. I think you can. I guess you can just drag and drop files. But yeah, it's working nicely. Mathematical intersection, yeah. That's the mathematic way of doing, saying heart. Check always his Twitter for who he reached some point of student, then good luck to claim the mighty discount, or stay here watching this version and have luck on the giveaway. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's cool. But do we have access to the classic drag and drop for fully beginners in web that just created like the HTML file, the CSS file, 2 images, and they want to put it live? Is it possible to drag and drop? Because we always forget how it is to start and know nothing about the terminal, know nothing about Git. So, is it possible or not? That's not the right screen, sorry. Yeah, that's the right screen. I was just showing off my cool background that we did in the last sessions. All right, nice. So I think those are nice. We have the base texture. Let's just check what we have in those data. Where is the data? Show me the data. Yeah, okay. Okay, we have one for all the alpha, and at the end we are supposed to have the same, in the middle, why not? And at the end of the image we have, okay, we have the same. All right, so this is full of random RGB values, not on the alpha, and those will be used as the particles positions, supposedly, if I can do it. So yeah, let's send the base texture there. This one will not change. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's get rid of the particles because we can't see anything there. Yeah, okay. Then oh, he's so cute when he sleep. Base texture, yep. Base texture, yep. And then we can probably just show it off. So show it off. Vec for base color equal texture 2D. We need the 2D. That's a trap. We need the VUV. VUV is actually a bit more complicated. Oh no, it should be fine. Oops. Come on. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, we have the UV. That's nice. The base texture. Oops, we need that. Oh, never mind. Select 4, put it there. Yay! Oh, nice. That's good news. So, I don't know how many of you understand what we did there, but each pixel you see there will be one particle, and each value, like it's gonna be RGB in this pixel, as an example, will be the X, Y, Z of the particle. Then we will use the the alpha of it as the, the life of the particle. So the particle, we use that information to move, and when the alpha goes to 0, it will go back to that initial position. This way, all the particles always start at the same position. So right now, those positions are just random between 0 and 1, so we have some kind of cube. Doesn't make sense, but we might be able to just position them on a circle, and then they would just move like this, and yeah, that's the idea. Oh, 1 minute ago? Oh, so sad. I mean, maybe a Twitch spread. Oh, we got so many new viewers, so yeah, you can sell that as an NFT. Can I? Really? Maybe I can tell a story, like each one of those is the person I met in my life, and things like that. I know you can drag and drop a folder with Netlify. All right, that's cool. I think you can do it in Vercel as well. Yeah, that would be great. And especially, I'm teaching my students, I'm talking about my students, I mean real life, real school students, how to put their website online, and we see different ways. We see a continuous integration, we see with GitHub pages, we see Vercel, we see Netlify, we see kind of see AWS, but it's a bit complicated, so we just talk about it. We see the old way with FTP. I mean, you just take like a web host, and you have your FTP access, and you drag and drop. So yeah, maybe I will check this drag and drop file. You can use Vercel likely. PureRef, that I know that. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, I tried it, PureRef, but the shortcuts are so unnatural. In the end, I'm just not using it because I know I will lose time. I should just force myself and use it. Wow, 18 minutes. All right, let's go. So we're all far from having our particles moving, but still, I think it's looking cool. what we are going to do now is update those. So we can update those inside this. So to do that, we need to send it. Yeah, we do update this one. Does it need to be updated? No, because we rendered inside of it. The secondary is the primary, we just rendered inside of it. And we just show it there. So yeah, let's see if we can make it evolve. Yeah, that's the tricky part, and I'm getting tired for the tricky part. That's bad news, guys. 1 hour only. 1 hour and 25 minutes. Alright, so think, Mark. Think, bro. We need to send right before rendering. Yeah, let's do that. Update material. So this one. Uniforms. You texture. Yeah, we don't touch the base texture. Value equal. Ah yeah, we just decay the alpha. Yeah, that's it. Value equal, and we send. So which one is it going to be? The secondary or the primary? Probably the secondary. I don't know. I really don't know what I'm doing right now. So you texture. Okay, it's doing that. So base color. We not necessarily need it at start. Color equal. We do exactly the same thing on the U texture. We change the alpha of it. Yeah, we do minus, I don't know, like 0. We will need to get some time, but I mean, like a constant time, but we can do that later. 0.001. So we decay the particle, so it starts at 1, so it's the beginning of the particle life, and it decays with time, and when it's 0, if, so yes, I'm using conditions, but I don't think you have choice there, inferior or equal to 0.0. I never really watch other people doing FBOs. Maybe I should have done that first. I just got the ID from an article and I tried to reproduce it, and this is how I'm doing it. But yeah, there are probably optimization. There is one guy that is really good with that. It's Edan Kwan. Check his Twitter. Doesn't post as much today because now he has his own agency, but yeah, this guy, it's the FBO expert. Like, clearly. Edan is so cool. So inspiring. Check his Twitter, check his work, check his agency. Agency is Lusion. Hi Bruno, I'm junior and thanks to your course. I hope I will find a job with WebGL. I hope to. And Three.js because I love it. Yeah, that's great. I mean, just keep doing it. Keep doing projects, even personal projects, and you will get there. All right. Everybody wants to know the follow age. Yeah, every program has different shortcuts. True. Do you know the software? Okay, cool. Yeah, done is so cool. So cool. So if we get this, we put it back, so we get it from that. We can just do something like that. Yeah, I guess. And I broke everything. Nice. Dimension mismatch. Where? Here. Color.a minus equal 0.001. Oh, color. Yeah, okay. So, I think it's working, but we can't see it because we need transparency on the debug plane. Yeah, it's working. So, every particles are kind of dying at the same time because they all start at the same position. But we can just change their life there. if we put a random value there, yeah, see? Yeah, that's perfect. Each pixel is a particle fading out. The alpha kind of correspond to their life, and when the alpha reaches 0, it goes back to where it was before. I think it's working nice. What we can do now is make them move, I guess. It's so complex. I'm mostly talking because it helps me understand what I'm doing. What is he using to simulate? What do you mean? Simulate what? WebGL use touch designer tool. What? What is using to simulate? Yeah. Talking about Edan Kwan? Yeah, Edan Kwan is using WebGL. I mean, a lot. He does those other things, but yeah. Oui. Yes. So yeah, what we can do, or let's do a simple animation, then we can get back to our particles and make the particles move. I love this image. It's really cool. So, should I call it color? Yeah, considering it's FBO, yeah, kind of. So color dots R plus equal. Let's do the same, like something like that. We don't really care. Oops. R, G, B. Values will go way above 1, but I think it's fine. Yeah, okay. We have some Minecraft feelings. So I don't know, let's put other values. 1, 2, 3. Should be fine. Yeah, okay, cool. It's a bit weird. Why is the life? At first we have... no, there's something weird. Why does it take times before we see... let's put the camera closer. No, let's make it bigger instead. No, let's put the camera closer. There, I guess. Oh, there's something weird. See? The alpha is starting from 0 to 1, I think. Unless I did something wrong. No, it's from 0 to 1. Yeah, this one is supposed to be the alpha. We are using RGBA, so it should be fine. We move the RGB. Why not? Oh. No, we put it back, so it's fine too. Maybe we can just update them if they are alive. Man, it's so weird. Where do we get this? Nah, I don't get it. Oh no. Bedrock with fireworks. Ah, true. Yeah, bedrock. So I don't know. After a moment, it's just fine. I mean, you feel like every particles are living normally. Let's just follow one. Yeah, I guess it's fine. I don't like it. Maybe if we see it working on the particles, we will understand. So, unfortunately, the struggling is not over. Now we need to take those particles, I mean this image, and use each pixel on each particle. Yeah. Let me think. We need the UV position of the particle. Yeah, that's it. The UV on the FBO. We need to send the FBO. Oh, actually, we are using a point material, so yeah, we have a lot of work to do. Particles, points, portal points. I don't know how to name it. Yeah, let's use portal particles. Maybe. I don't know. We have two. So we have the vertex.jsl. We have the fragment.jsl. Let's get rid of this. Oh. Don't move. Void main. All right, let's go. GL. No, GL. Not just kidding. Frag color equal vec 4 1.0 0.0 0.0 1.0. All right, cool. Vertex. Let's just make sure they're working. Actually, I will take some code. No, I can do it. GL position. I will separate everything, so it's gonna be vec 4 model position. So I'm doing kind of the basic one. Then we will replace the position using this FBO. So model matrix multiply by. I know. Yeah, I need to do some tests. Position 1.0. Should I also use a raw shader material? Probably. View position, view matrix that we multiply by this. And at the end, we can just put it there. So gl underscore position equal projection matrix multiplied by the view position. Point size equal 10. Those are fragments, so it should be fine. Quite nice. Then in the particles, WebGL is trying to create the unholy of the unholiest sin to summon the most evil demon from the real hell. Yeah. That's the idea. What was I doing? Yeah, using. Yeah, I know. So it looks like that. Portal particles. Should I call it this one like portal throw field? Or maybe we can use create a generic throw field class. We can use it for whatever we want. Sounds like a good idea. Not sure it is. We'll see. So shader material. Let's not use the raw shader material yet. Shader material, size extension, those are not going to work, so we need to send those. Fragment. No, what I'm doing, yeah, up. All right, did I break everything? Probably. Oh, we need to show it. Oh, okay, it's working. Okay, nice. So this is where things get tricky. Right now, we are using the classic way of handling points. We can create some perspective. Let me just find how I do that so that they are not too big when we are close. It's gonna be there. GL point size divided by I can't remember this one. I think it's view position.w 1 divided by that. Or is it multiply here? Absolutely not. So let me find it. I have a snippet for that. No, I was quite far. So it's multiply. Actually, it's fine. It's that. And it was the Z. Yeah, it makes sense. And it's minus. And it's the model view position. Okay, that's the one. Right, so if they are far, they are small. If they are close, they are big. Yoo-hoo! How can we see through it? Let me just check. No, okay, it's fine. Come back, come back, come back. Poof. Yeah, okay, it's fine. Whew, damn, it's so hard. So yeah, here's the ID. Currently it's using the position attribute, but we need to send the UV coordinates. So we can calculate that. Should we do it in the flow field? Like maybe a method that returns the positions of the particles. Yeah, maybe. Oops. Or at least we can already send it, so it's gonna be. Let's call it FBO. Value, and we can just put the value, so it's gonna be this dot FBO, or maybe we set it to null. Are we creating this one before or after? No, we create it after, so it's fine. This dot flow field, and target. Oh, I don't like that. It's supposed to be this one. Maybe we should create like just a texture one. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, we need to update it anyway, so yeah, we do that. We can actually use this one as the official one. This texture, yeah, like that. Yeah, by default it's new. So it's gonna be texture, which will be null actually, so it's not really useful, but after updating it, we can just do this dot material dot uniforms. UFBO texture value equal profile texture. All right. Okay, it's a good one, I guess. What should we do now?
Hi, Master Bruno.
Hey, hey. Don't forget to drink, everyone. Yeah, I'm getting sleepy. Yeah, we can just retrieve it. So uniforms, uniform sampler 2D. Yeah, no, I'm on the vertex, but that's the idea. We're going to use this material, I mean this uniform sampler 2D as the reference. Maybe we can just take one of those. Yeah, let's do that. Position. So spec 3 FBO color. Yeah, let's do that. So it's a vec4 FBO color. Yeah, we can do it. We can do it. We are close. And we can take one randomly, like actually we can take the one on the top left corner. So 0, 0. No, it's a vec2. Calm down, Bruno. Vec2, 0, 0. Okay. So did I break everything? No, okay, it's fine. And now we will tell to every particles to use this one, RGB, which are actually XYZ, it's the same. And there should be one particle moving. No. Shoot. Come on. No, it's not working. Why? We should have one particle moving, please. No, it's not working. But why? Oh! There was something, right? Oh yeah, it's there. Okay, okay. Okay, we have one particle moving. Oh, that's a start. That's a start. Maybe if we take it from the center. Yeah, okay. So happy to see one particle moving. Why is it going that far? Okay, and it's starting again. That's weird. It's supposed to be... Is it supposed to go that far? Let me check the values. No, that's not here. That's this one. Oh yeah, the alpha. Okay, I get it. Yeah, this one is going smaller, slower. So if we do something like that, it should not move that far. But the cool thing is that it can go beyond. losing my English. 1. Okay, so that's it. See, there is only 1. So currently it's 1, I think, like in the middle. So I guess 1 there. And it's just moving, just a useless movement. But it's working, and that's cool. Does drinking coffee count? Yeah, it's +1 and -10. It counts. You need to sub to be able to use the say command. How many years of experience you have in programming? I get this question quite a lot. I started when I was, let me think, 20 years old. So it's been 11 years. I might do a different calculation every time I get this question. So here's the idea. I think it's been 11 years. And I started with Flash, then HTML, classic web stuff. Backend with PHP, WebGL, and a bunch of other languages just because I needed it. I needed those at some point. All right. So we have 1 moving. That's great. What we need to do now is for each of those particles, we need to send, it's going much faster now, the coordinate on the texture. And we can do that in the flow field. I guess. Set coordinate. I don't like that. UV coordinates. I don't like this one either. I don't know. Const. No. This dot coordinates equal something like that. Actually, I don't know what I'm doing. Const coordinates equal float 32 array. So we know we have that much vertices. Yeah. So we can just do this multiplied by 2 because 2D coordinates x and y, I guess. Yeah, this part is actually a bit hard. 4. Let I equal 0. I inferior to the count I plus plus. I think we can make it work for this session. I would be so happy and so relieved. So yeah, now we need to calculate. It's gonna be x equal y divided by this dot width. Not exactly. Okay, that's the mathematical part you're supposed to do in the morning when you're fresh and rested, and I'm not. So let's try to make it work. So no, it's probably gonna be modulo. Modulo this width, is it, or what? So it's gonna be a mess in my logs, but let's test it. I don't like that. New float 32 array. Okay. Anyway, no, it's supposed to be from 0 to 1. So I divided by, no, okay, that's it. More like that, that, and that. Yeah, okay, that's more like it. It goes up to almost 1, and then it starts, it goes back. We need to make sure that we take in the middle of the pixel. I'm not sure it's that important, but still I think it's a good idea to do that. So we need kind of one fragment, half of one fragment, and this on the X and on the Y. So const, let's call it like half extent X equal 1 divided by that divided by 2. And we do the same on the Y. On the height, let me see what we get. Yeah, very short value. Then we just need to add it like that. And we are just going to log it if, because I don't think my webpack or whatever, even the brother will like that. If I inferior to that, multiply by, I don't know, 2. Yeah, seems good. okay, I think that's good. XLR is definitely in the moment, yeah, true. But we will get rid of that soon. So we have the X. We need a Y. So Y is going to be, I don't know, math floor of I divided by width divided by 8. I don't know. Let's get rid of this one. Oh, and we need to add the alpha extent just like we did. We will do it after. If I inferior to count multiplied by 2. Oh, what am I doing? It's logging everything. That's so dumb. Anyway, let's keep it. It's working, so let's keep it. So we have 0. No, I'm not sure it's the right one. How many should we have? Like in the 8. $40? That much? How many particles? Oh, yeah, actually, why not? 10,000 particles and the width is like that. Okay, it makes sense. Yeah, 40. Actually, yeah, there is 40 lines. Makes sense. See, I'm getting tired. I should stop. I will just struggle a bit more and see if I can make all the particle moves. And I think we will end there. The next part, we will make them look cool. So where was it? Yeah, it's there. So we need to add it. Let's put it back. 40, really? Really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay. Yes, that was French. Alright, we had the alpha extent, and then we had those two, the coordinates, and we can do coordinates. I already forgot stride. Yeah, that's it. Stride. So my stride is going to be multiplied by 2 plus 0. Let's not make a mistake this time. And we can just save the X and save the Y with plus 1. Yeah, okay, I think that's cool. Then we can just save those. FBO coordinates. I don't like the names I'm using. Anyway. I really don't like what's happening at the beginning. I don't understand. I'm quite sure it's a simple reason, but yeah, I don't know. But at least after 1 second, they are all working well, so it should be fine. Okay, cool. That's a funny name. Goofball Guinness. Call it to run on Shader Toy. No way. It's absolutely not the same way of writing it or coding it. So no way. No. Shader Toys are for the big brains. Let's play with Three.js for now. It's already more than enough. So we have the coordinates. We can use the coordinates. It's a what was the name? Oh, float 32 array. Oh yeah, that's cool. Should we create an attribute there? Maybe. Yeah, we can create the attribute. Yeah, let's do something cool. So this coordinates. Why not? This one is going to be coordinates.data. And we populate it. And then we do coordinate.attribute equal new 3 buffer attribute. Should be fine. And we send the data. We have 2. And I think that's cool. Okay, let's see. Is this? Yeah, I think that's how we do it. So, those are the coordinates. From 0 to 1, and it never goes above. And it's exactly what we want. Do we have it until the end? Yes. and we have 20,000, and it's exactly what we need because there is 10,000 particle. And we need 2 coordinates per particle. I know there's an issue with the position, like the initial position, that we need to set something even if we don't use it, which is a mess because we send attributes that we are not using. So we set the position, FBO coordinate, no, UV, FBO UV, that makes sense. But the flow field is named flow field, not FBO. I don't know. I can rename stuff later. I won't, but I can. So flow field dot coordinates dot attribute. Oh, actually, we already have it, so we can just send it there. I don't like that name. Should we call this one FBO? But in fact, it's more than an FBO. It's a flow field using FBO. So set coordinate set. Can we do? No, it's not working. Oh, come on. FBO UV set FBO UV. Oof. Oof. Okay, still sleeping. That's great. So FBO UV. Yeah, that's it. That's the same name, I guess. FBO UV. FBO UV. Yup. Are we there or not? Yeah, that's the same. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna call it A FBO UV. A. And here, yeah, we can get rid of that for now. Yeah, we can retrieve it from the attribute. What is the point of using a FBO? It's super hard to explain, and it's probably hard to explain because still I'm struggling with it. Usually when something is hard to explain, it's just that you don't master it enough. And actually, this is why we're doing it too. I need to practice that. But the idea is that with the FBO, you use the term FBO, it's frame buffer object. The coordinates are saved inside a texture, and this texture is being updated inside of shader. What this enables is kind of let the particles live. It's not like you have all particles have their initial position and then in the shader you told them to just like offset. Each particle will live, and while the frames passes, you will tell the particles to, I don't know, like move to the right because there is wind, and they will move to the right because there is wind. Maybe they will follow some patterns or whatever, and then you use those coordinates stored inside a texture to place them visually here. It's so complex. If I know better, I will probably explain better, but anyway, this will enable those kind of particles where they just live and go through the wind. You can create like how do you say, sparkles of fire that will just live. You can also use FBO to do like grass, to do like I don't have much examples. What can we use FBO for? I always use it for particles. I know you can do cool stuff with grass, but usually I can do it without FBO. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, let's go. So we send this one. FBO. Yeah, okay, cool. Like that. Like that. All right. So where is it? You're here. That's great. And then we can just do... Oh, if it's working, that's great. Yay, it's working. Let's go. Let's go. So right now, there is absolutely no usage with that. Oh, no, we have some issues. Some of them are just dying and dying and dying. Okay, so what we can do now... First... Oh, he moved. Hello, buddy. What's up? Okay, I need to walk the dog. I'll be back.
Life is good. Test lol. Never gonna give you up. Hey guys, this is Bruno. I'm now a robot. This is my new voice. Bonjour baguette. I love you all, chat. Sup Bruno. Nice overlay.
Right, we just have 1 more minute because he's eating. Then I need to make him poop. What did you guys say? Are you breaking the chat again? Nice overlay. Thank you. We did it live actually. I just added some stuff.
Brunoception.
Is it working, by the way? Yeah, it seems so. Get it? This is the main. Yay. Give her hugs. Hug. What is it? Was better in French? Sometimes. Okay, as soon as I finished eating, I have to go and I will be back in, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. I'm sorry. Hey guys, this is Bruno. I'm not a robot. This is my new voice. Baguette. Omelette du fromage. Panic mode on. Alright. The chat should work better. I just fixed it in the viewer you just saw. Hey Anto, what's up? You just arrived when I need to go. What's the point of using a view? Okay, we already had that. Hairs? I think you might be able to use FBO for hair. Oh, it sounds maybe too complicated. I don't know. You can use it for physics too. Like if you want, let's say, sparkles that falls on the floor and bounces a bit, you can use FBOs to do that. As long as you can send the coordinates of the floor, you can do that. Let's reduce the size a bit.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down.
Alright, so right now they're just doing one ugly translation, but once we add, how do you say, some Perlin noise to the coordinates, it's gonna be cool. Some are really broken. So is it done or what? I so long to it. Okay, he's done. Give me 10 to 15 minutes. Sorry everybody, I'm coming back. Don't break the chat.
Woof woof. Salutation à tous les frandegriers. Bonjour chat, Jehabite au pays de Gauls.
Alright, I'm back. Give me just one moment. Hey guys. Hey. Woo. And we lost 20 viewers. It's fine. It's fine, boy. C'est bien mon pote. Tu veux dormir ou quoi? Ouais. Ah oui, bon. So, oh yeah, the view is not very interesting. Yeah. So we got a pee pee poo poo. So that's a success. Success. Name's Boyd. Yeah. The dog is named Boyd, which is a reference to God of War. Not anymore. Now that he is not named Boy anymore. I mean, in Ragnarok, at least. Plus 1 in 2, gain 1. Hey, welcome. Gain 2, yay! Boy, is so cute. I know. I wonder if he knows. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. I was on that screen. Let me change. Okay, that's cool. He's not walking his dog. He's trying to summon a demon from hell. Stop with it. Don't tell. I just came. He's walking the dog. Yeah. Unfortunate. The repository itself is empty and hasn't been pushed. Yeah, I will update everything once we have something that looks like something. Something that looks like something. What a nice concept. Actually, I can just save my code. That can be cool if I lose my computer or whatever. Package. Okay, it's all good. Construction. Add particles. Yeah, let's just do that. I have Draco and stuff. Might get useful if we had a model. I'm so hot. Just trying to deploy it. Yeah, the Vercel link doesn't work. Yeah, the Vercel link doesn't work. I mean, there's nothing to test right now. I wonder why some of them are not moving. That's weird. See those? Huh. Oh, they were moving, but super fast. Because... I know. Yeah, I know. Because they start with a low alpha already. That's probably the problem. Okay, we need to fix that. But how? The usual, but how? Let's see. I will finish the stream soon and do the giveaway. In case some of you are wondering, when is the giveaway? So yeah, when the alpha comes to 0, okay. We take it back, but we can just take it back from that. So RGB. And we set the alpha to 1. 1.0. Yeah, okay, that's better. Yay. Oh, they're all... No, never mind. It's supposed to go slow. We take it from the texture. No, it's not that easy. Actually, don't know. I mean, I could add another data. Let me check dog. Boy! No! Leave! Leave! He was destroying the balcony, that's great. So yeah, I get it. I understand why it's doing that, but how can we fix it properly? We reduce the alpha. When it's down to 0, we set it to 1. And the initial one should be... Okay, I think I know. If we use the base texture... Is everything working, by the way? Voilà, chat, j'habite au pays de Galles. Quand tu dois expliquer ta blague. French humor. Salutations à tous les Français. Creating banana. Say woo, woof woof. Alright. Got some attempts to break the chat. Cooldown to be precise. You can put a delay for the say. Yeah, I could. Or we let people troll. I don't know. Yeah, I really did the say thing so fast. It took me like, I don't know, like 30 minutes to integrate it and I need to improve it. I have VS Code plugin to use. I don't use much plugins. I have almost no plugins if you check. I have those Apache Conf, I don't know. I should probably get rid of this one, but I think I'm going to break it. Use the community material theme. Icons, support for shaders, language, support for stylus, and that's all. I don't need much. Brunoception. Hey. It's better in French. I love you. All chat. Alright, cool. Oh, Pratamesh, what's up? The Twitter legend is here. Flooring Pop 17. He's amazing, I know. And though the dramatical Bruno brainwash. Stop saying it's no brainwash. Oh wait, what's that? Oh no, my Mac is having troubles. What is happening? No. No. Give me one moment. What is that? Shoo. Anyway, let's do without it. Okay, let's go. So, oh, thank you. Epoch Varg to Flooring Pop 17. Nice. So let me check boy again. Boy! No! No! No. I can't. How can you stream with a dog like that? So let's go. I wanted to use the base texture as the base value, and I think we can just send it at first. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. But we need to make sure that it's been rendered once at the beginning. So maybe it's not a good idea. We need to test. So your texture should be this one too. All right, but we need to render it once before doing our changes there. And to do that, we can just maybe do one render before the update. Like that. It's not working. We use the primary. Okay, we render to the primary. Log A and then the update. Yeah, the updates arrive after, obviously. And when we render it at first, it's supposed to use the uniform we just set. Oh no, it's drinking. Which is there, and we use that texture and we lower the alpha. Ah, that's so sad. I can't do it properly. You okay, boy? He's not a good dog anymore. Can you make it purple? Which part? The dog? You want a purple dog? Which cam do you use for streaming? It's a Canon EOS 7D. So So it's not really a cam. Boy. Boy. Stop. And now he's playing with water. That's the problem. When he sleeps for a long time, that's cool. I can stream, I can walk, but then after that, it's over. Playtime is over. So I don't know. I'm taking the texture and it's supposed to lower the alpha every frame, and when the alpha is 0, we put it back to 1. But it's not working as I wanted it to work. Color A. There we update it. We should put it back to 1. Maybe I can put more actually. No, that would be weird. I don't know. Is dog behaving in WebGL? Yeah, I should. It depends. Purple on what? The red stuff? Oh, yes. Why not? Why not? Let's go. So, hey, that's a good question. How do you make purple out of RGB? So it's red plus some blue, right? Let's see. Oh, I think it's there. RGB. So if we put that, nope, and maybe put the green brighter, nope again. Ah, that's harder than what I thought. No, maybe lower this one. Yeah, that's it. Ta-da! Maybe a bit brighter. So yeah, it's mostly blue actually. Purple is mostly blue, and you just add some red to it, I guess. Okay, it's just playing. All right, cool. But still, I'm stuck with this one. Yeah, I don't think I will be able to fix it now. As I said earlier, when you can't do something, just go rest, and when you will be back, it will be much easier. So yeah, this is working. Last thing I want to add and finish the stream. Don't worry, I'm not forgetting the giveaway. We're going to make it cooler. By that I mean we're going to add some Perlin noise. I'm going to take it from the last project because we already have some stuff ready, and it was how do we open? Oh yeah, like that. Stream background, was that it? Yeah, we have some Perlin here. Shaders, partials, yeah, that's it. Let's go. Shaders. Oh, actually it's a Perlin 3D. Oh, should be fine. Partials. We put the code here, and then we can use it like that. And we can get rid of that. Yeah, I'm chilling a bit. We've been doing that so many times. And the interesting thing is that it's not going to be in the particles, it's going to be in the flow field. Because the particle will just take the coordinates from the flow field. So this is the flow field, I think so. Wait a minute. Portal particles. Yes, it is. Yeah, it is. So we do that. Like that. Trying hard to push his brand color. Is it? Are you like all purple? Oh, he sent me the values. But this is GLSL, it's from 0 to 1, so you need to do some calculation. Yeah, he's destroying his bed now, that's great. Let's try to focus with the monster behind me. Damn, 100 bytes. So we can do it actually. So it's gonna be... It's not going to stay, be aware of that. So 0.0 divided by 255.0. I said 0.0, why don't you put a 0? Is it me or what? This one and this one. So the number 2 is 51 and the number 3 is 153. Oh, it's so dark. It's too dark. It's Rebecca purple, or you know way too much about purple. Actually, my course is purple. Sounds cool. Now it seems like it's being more of a purple magic. Yeah, this is more into magic stuff. Boy, leave. It's destroying the couch. My God. Oh, really? Oh, sorry. All right, cool. Let's go. Let's go. Loop deck is broken again. I have to restart it 10 times a stream. Anyway, yeah, let's do the thing I was going to tell. So what's that? Why did I change there? Nothing? Okay, that's cool. Yeah, it was there. So instead of just moving everything in one direction, we will move according to various oh, actually that's a bit harder. Perlin noises. So Perlin 3D. Let's see. Yeah, I will do an ugly one, and I will improve it next stream when I'm rested, because I know I will do some mess right now. So new color. Let's do new color. Vec 3, new color. Color. This is how you duplicate variables, which is weird when you're not used to it. New color, actually old color, initial color, base color. Then we can use the base color dot G. So it's a Vec 3. Never mind. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Finally, he's destroying his toy. G, B. And for now, I will use nothing there. Alright. You don't like it. Well. Dimension mismatch. Oh, it's a 4 maybe. Yeah, okay, that's it. Yeah, okay, nice. So much smaller. Uh-oh. Much smaller. Doesn't seem to be working. Perlin 3D, R plus equal that according to this. He's way too excited. Why is it moving that fast? No, I'm messing with something. Perlin 3D, we take it from this one. And we move the R plus equal to Perlin 3D. Yeah, maybe this one is working. Let's just focus on one. Careful, boy. Careful, boy. Yeah, that's it. Maybe a bit more. Yeah, okay, I think it's working. We're gonna need a lot of tweaks to improve that. What if we add way more? Okay, this one is weird. I don't know why we get this. It's according to the base position, but it's working really weirdly. Okay. G. So G might go up, yeah, because it's a Y. So we base on the R and B, and we do kind of the same, but we just maybe add like a random value. Plus 1 to 3.0. Why is it rotating like that? And the GB, so RGB and we base on R and G, and we add another random value like that. All right, that's cool. Then here's the thing. We need to send the time. So let's go. Uniform. Good boy. Float time. I'll always put it first. Sorry, I don't check the chat much. Maybe there's nothing to check actually. Elgato face cam. What? Does anyone have a good webcam recommendation? Actually, I'm looking for one to have a dog cam. Oh, bye, Florin Pop. Probably too late. My bad. If he's gone, we can change the color to something brighter. Let's go. My previous purple was better. What was the value? Yeah, okay, that was this one. Yeah, at least we can see. So here's the thing. We need to send the uTime. I will put it first, and then we will stop. I mean, if it's working, we will stop. Maybe tweak the frequency, and then we can stop. Oh, yes, it's working. Check that. We just need to make it vary according to the time, and we can do that by sending the time itself. There's gonna be value. This dot time. Oh no, we can just put 0 for now. We need to get the time. Yeah, I need to think of that. Time. And then we update it. Material uniforms. Yes, that's it. Time. Yeah, I need to play with him. Elapsed. Yeah, okay. Now we have access to the time inside the shader. By the way, if you guys want to learn how to do all of those, check this course. As in Doom the game. Yeah, I'm talking about Doom. I really love this game. Oh, what the fuck is that? Yeah, some weird insects. So I have a dog destroying everything and weird insect in my apartment. That's great. So now streaming is a challenge. Float time equal. Yeah, we need to lower it quite a lot, I guess. This one, and this one. What the? No, that's not it. What is that? What is happening? So if it's a... No, I'm sure I'm using it the wrong way. That's so weird. It's not supposed to do that. Yeah, that's more like it. Still, it's not supposed to increase the speed of it. Nah, I broke something. I'm sure of it, I broke something. It's doing the opposite of the frequency we are supposed to use. Oh, anyway, it's working. The values are so weird, but it's working. So, if we make it slower, yeah, it's working anyway. I think I would just get rid of this and redo it on the next session, or maybe just fix it offline and redo it on the next session. See, it seems to be accelerating. Why? Why are you accelerating like that? Oh, check that. Yeah, we have some stuff happening. We are putting back to the base texture, right? At some point. When the alpha reaches 0, we just set it back. And we use the time there. Base, color. Hey, what is? Okay, he's way too excited. I need to stop. Alright, let's do the giveaway. I will fix that later. Where is it? Where is it? Alright, let's put this one. Yeah, it's working. That was cool effect though. Yeah, we almost kind of did it. If the values could not be that broken, I think it would be great, but I will fix that once I'm a bit rested. Can you show us reference image? Yeah, sure. Oops, that's not what I meant. So yeah, that's it. This part. Let me open it. Advertising. That. See the flow fields like this, like that. but we will see way more of it. Actually, when you play, you enjoy it more because you can just stay right in front of the portal and you see the particles moving. I think we see it a bit better on this one. Yeah, check that in the middle. There. Oh, we can't see much of it again. But yeah, that's the idea. And it's a lot of work just for some particles, and then we will have to create all of those things. And I think we will maybe create a small scene. I don't know, maybe it's a lot of work, we'll see. But yeah, to make it more complete, and maybe we can move as in FPS, but it's getting too big otherwise. So yeah, that's the idea. Can you I'm excited to see the end result. Me too, if we can get there, which is not sure. This project is actually really hard. Oh, sorry, I was on not on the right mode. Yeah, I always forget that. Anyway, let's do the giveaway. So, if you guys want a chance to win the Three.js Journey course, which is the course I've made where you can learn how to create, well, 3D in your browser, you will have to put in the chat, but first I need to prepare Nightbot. I always forget to prepare Nightbot. Let's say it's because I'm distracted by boy. So if you want a chance to win it, you have to put Doom in the chat. DOOM. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. 28. And me, I will prepare the rest. So do you guys like my new interface? I think it's cool. It's so cool to be able to use WebGL on OBS. That's so great. So let me prepare the price. Where is it? There. Who's gonna be the winner this time? Let's roll, and congratulations to Rohit Kumarankam. Sorry. Oh, and you answered already. That's so fast. Perfect. Congratulations. Let me send you a whisper. So check your whispers. Here you go. And enjoy the course. And don't forget to join the members only Discord server, which is a sect. Do we say sect? It's a religion. Calm down, boy. Oh, what's that? Tu pisses pas? Oh, putain. Oh, God. Okay, how do I get it? I sent you a whisper. Check the whispers on Discord. Check on the top right corner. You should have received one whisper. And if it's not working, just send me a message on Twitter or on Discord. Did I say Discord? On Twitch. Top right corner of Twitch. Yeah, I said. He's drinking. I need to stop. Bye everyone. That was a cool session. I almost got it working. I will probably stream tomorrow. Actually, not sure. We'll see. But I hope to do it this weekend. Bye everyone. See you.